A journey to the modern man. Brothers, let's talk about it, shall we? Understanding inner potential is a multifaceted endeavor for men, reflecting both their individual characteristics and the broadness of self-awareness and question the traditional norms. Men can embark on a transformative journey to unlock their true inner potential, leading to more fulfilled and authentic lives. The mind and spirit. Listen, establishing essential in this journey. When individuals align their goals with their core values and aspirations, setting specific, measurable goals not only fosters personal accountability but also motivates individuals to pursue their aspirations. This alignment cultivates a fulfilling existence where mental and spiritual strengths work in harmony to propel one closer to their true potential. Physical development. In order to effectively integrate physical development into one's life, creating a sustainable workout routine is vital. Start by setting realistic goals that align with your lifestyle and abilities. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular strength and flexibility training to ensure a well-rounded approach as you progress. Consider tracking your workouts to maintain motivation and celebrate milestones along the way. In addition to exercise, prioritizing hydration and sufficient sleep is essential for recovery and optimal functioning. Staying hydrated supports metabolic processes while quality sleep encourages muscle recovery and cognitive clarity. Together, these components form a comprehensive strategy for physical development. Create the balance. Gentlemen, challenges and setbacks are inevitable on the path to growth. Developing resilience is essential. This can be achieved by viewing obstacles as opportunities for learning and adaptability. Documenting experiences, both positive and negative, can further aid in recognizing patterns and strategies that lead to success. By emphasizing the blending of these elements, individuals can unleash their potential while leading a more integrated and fulfilling life. Come on, gentlemen. Let's get it.